Hey there. Today I'm coming at you with 3 tips to use your new massage gun. For those who don't know me, my name is Dr. Ariele Fluster. I'm a physical therapist, yoga teacher, and I'm the creator of Way of the Happy Fascia. I teach about fascia for Yoga Journal, in live workshops, and through yogaaanatomyacademy.com. I have this brand new course, Way of the Happy Fascia, that is amazing. So please check that out. But tonight, we're talking about the 3 things that you should be doing with your massage gun if you don't already know. So I am using the NaCot mini gun. I don't know if there's a more formal name to it, but I'll put a link in the notes below. And mini or big, it doesn't matter. You're going to use these on like your big muscles, not on the bony areas, but on your big muscles. Recently, since I've been walking a lot more, I've been standing a lot more, as in like a standing desk, and really spending more time stationary and taking the stairs a lot more. So I'm using my legs a ton recently. So almost every night I've been massaging out just my legs with one of these massage guns. And it's been amazing. And these are the 3 things that have been really helpful for me. So, number 1, don't feel that you have to push hard. Just a little bit of even skin sensitivity and input to your nervous system through the skin makes powerful effects throughout your body. So that's like one of the best things you can get from massage anyway, is just the touch itself. Number 2, don't try to cover everything at once. So you want to go pretty slowly. Your tissue is going to respond pretty slowly, right? And when you find areas that are more sensitive to others, don't go right into the heart of it. Stick around to the periphery of that area. And the third thing I would say is when you are using a massage gun, you want to use the lowest setting. So you're not pushing too hard, you're not going very fast, and you want to use the lowest setting until and if you know you can tolerate more. So the lowest setting on many of these is actually still pretty intense. And you want to use it until you give your body enough time to kind of adapt to learning how it responds. For many of us, we don't need a lot of stimulus, especially right before you go to bed, which is when I happen to be using it. And that slow, light pressure, lowest setting will be more than enough. So check it out. These circular motions are a little bonus tip that can be really, really helpful. One final thing. It's actually, there's no real big right or wrong. Just make sure that you're kind of staying below what you think is your maximum intensity and staying off the bony areas. But other than that, these kind of tools are a great gift to people who are missing massages in their lives right now. So try it out. I'll put a link in the notes below. And finally, go check out my new course, Way of the Happy Fascia, at yogaaanatomyacademy.com/shop. It's an online course with tons of CEUs for yoga teachers, yoga therapists, and other movement instructors. Check it out.